We'll guide you through how to install Wi-Fi drivers on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, we need to make sure we get the right Wi-Fi driver. To go and do this, make sure you know your laptop make and model, or if you're using a computer, search at the bottom for system information. You need to go down and find baseboard product and manufacturer. Now we know that, open up a web browser. If you don't currently have internet, then you can use Ethernet or use a plug-and-play Wi-Fi adapter. We'll link some down below. Type in your laptop make or model or your motherboard make and model, and then what we can do is find the drivers for it. As you can see here, mine is at the top. Of course, the site view may be slightly different. Come to driver and downloads and press driver. We can then press LAN drivers, and here are the Wi-Fi drivers. Press download to the right. After you've downloaded them, open up your file explorer and come to downloads, select the file and press extract. We can then come into the folder and we can go and find the setup file, and we can then install it. We can choose the path and the device name and we can press install. Now wait, it's now finished and that's it. We successfully installed them.